Welcome to Jasmine Trades. Jasmine Trades is a commodity trading platform designed to simplify and streamline commodity trade and transactions. This video shows you how to create an offer on the Jasmine Trades platform. Log in to your Jasmine Trades account and navigate to the My Offers section. Here, you can view all the offers you have previously created. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the Create New Offer button. If you are registered as a trader, you can create both selling and buying offers. If you are registered as a buyer, you can create only buying offers. If you are registered as a seller, you can create only selling offers. As this is a trader's account, select the appropriate option and proceed. Next, you will be asked to enter the product details for the offer you want to create. Select the product, product type, grade, and purity. Upload the product image, then choose the container type and specify the quantity. In the next step, provide the packaging details. Specify whether the product is ready to be packed, or enter the number of days required for packing. Choose whether seller marking or buyer marking is required. Upload the artwork or branding image, if applicable. Select the package size you require for this commodity. Click on Next to continue. You will now be asked to select the Incoterm for this trade. Once selected, the system will clearly indicate who bears the shipping cost and whether shipping charges are applicable. When selecting FOB, you only need to provide the shipping origin. The destination will be added by the offer acceptor. For CIF, enter both the shipping origin and destination, along with the shipment date. If you choose DDP, simply select the warehouse country. Next, enter the price per metric ton. Based on this value, the platform will automatically calculate and display the total trade value, including any additional packaging costs and platform fees. The final amount shown will represent the total earnings for a selling offer, or the total cost for a buying offer. Select the payment terms, then enter the advance payment percentage and choose the mode of payment. Set the offer validity period. Choose the offer type, which can be firm or negotiable. A firm offer cannot be modified and can only be accepted or ignored. A negotiable offer allows flexibility on parameters such as price per metric ton and payment terms. Negotiable offers can follow either a one-to-one bidding process or a multiple bidding process. These options are explained in detail in our bidding process video. Select Allowed if the offer can be partially purchased, which means the quantity can be negotiated by the acceptor. Please note that partial shipping is available only for the FOB Incoterm. Once all the details are completed, click on Create Offer. You will be prompted to enter a 6-digit OTP, which will be sent to your registered email address and mobile number. Enter the OTP to complete the verification process. Upon successful verification, the offer will be created with an initial status of published and will appear in your My Offers section. The offer will remain active for the defined validity period and will be visible to relevant buyers, sellers, or traders on the platform. If required, you can edit the offer by clicking on the offer card and selecting the Manage option. Update the necessary fields or extend the offer validity, then click on Save Offer. Your offer is now active and visible to other members of the platform. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and happy trading with Jasmine Trades.